Composer, add camera Luma x20. In this video, we'll show you how to easily add a Luma x20 camera to your Control 4 project. This video will explain how to set up a single camera that is not connected directly to an NVR. Here are the steps we will follow. Updating the camera. Install the driver. Updating the camera. Luma cameras are updated via the Oversee interface. You will need to add this to your customer's account if it is not already there. You can either run a scan of your network by clicking on Scan, or add it manually. We're going to add it manually. Enter the MAC address of your controller. Then add the service tag. This corresponds to the serial number. You'll find this information on the packaging or on the camera. Wait a little and then update the camera. Installing the driver. In Composer Pro, click on the room where the driver will be installed. On the right-hand side, click on Discovered. Identify the camera and double-click on it. The camera driver will be installed automatically. You will be missing the identifiers. You can find these on Oversee. Click on the camera name, then on the Configure tab and finally select Camera Credentials. The credentials used are those of System Connect. Copy the password and enter it in Composer. You can now test the camera on your Control 4 application or tablet. Thank you for watching this video. Don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel to be notified of new videos. You can also find all our products and other tutorials on our website.